Human fascination with chocolate dates back to at least 1900 BCE. In ancient Mesoamerica, it wasn't just a treat, but a vital component of medicine and religious ceremonies. Today, this luxurious delicacy is omnipresent, with over 3 million tons shipped globally each year. But how is this delectable product made? Let's unravel the secrets of chocolate, starting from its historical roots. The journey of chocolate begins in the rainforests of Mesoamerica, home to the ancient Maya and Aztec civilizations. These early chocolate connoisseurs discovered the wonders of the cacao tree, a discovery more attributed to their geographical luck than detective skills. The cacao tree flourishes under specific conditions: a steady temperature around 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity levels, typical of regions along the Earth's equatorial belt, exactly where these ancient civilizations thrived. Even today, much of the world's cacao supply originates from regions with similar climates, and the harvesting techniques remain remarkably unchanged since the Mayan era. Cacao trees are fragile, and their pods don't simply drop to the ground. Hence, they're carefully cut down manually, one by one, a task requiring precision and patience. Inside each pod, workers find the cacao beans, enveloped in a sticky white pulp, a far cry from the chocolate we know. The transformation begins with fermentation. The beans, along with the pulp, are placed in special boxes for about 3 to 9 days. This step is crucial. It not only kills harmful bacteria and removes the pulp, but also imparts the beans with their signature brown color and distinct flavor. Next, the beans are sun-dried to reduce moisture and inhibit microbial growth, a process that also enhances their flavor. After drying, these beans are ready to travel to chocolate factories worldwide. Upon arrival, the beans undergo meticulous inspection for color and consistency. The roasting process then begins, first on screens and later in rotating cylinders with heated air. This step, lasting 30 minutes to 2 hours, reduces moisture significantly and triggers a browning reaction, unlocking over 300 different flavor compounds in the beans. After roasting, the cacao meat, or nibs, are separated from their husks using winnowers. The nibs are then ground into a rich, dark paste known as chocolate liquor. This thick syrup undergoes further processing, depending on the final product desired. To make cocoa powder, the chocolate liquor is alkalized, defatted, and then ground into powder. In contrast, for making chocolate candy, cocoa butter is mixed back into the liquor. This process, known as conching, ensures a smooth texture. Depending on the type of chocolate, ingredients like sugar, powdered milk, or vanilla are added. This method of adding milk to chocolate was pioneered by Swiss chocolatier Daniel Peter in 1875, a significant milestone in chocolate history. The tempered chocolate, slowly heated and cooled, alters its crystal structure, giving it a uniform texture and the characteristic snap. Finally, the chocolate is poured into molds, checked for air bubbles, and packaged. The chocolate industry, generating up to $130 billion annually, is a testament to our enduring love for this treat. From a sacred ritualistic ingredient to a global luxury, chocolate's journey is as rich and fascinating as its flavor. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite chocolate brand? If you're interested in seeing how coffee is manufactured, check out this video or watch our other videos in this playlist. Subscribe if you'd like to be notified when we release new videos. Your support is greatly appreciated.